Okay, really quick, simple explanation of how to take a door panel off to replace a speaker on a Ford Ranger. I believe this should be from 98 until 2012, maybe, when they stopped making these. Very, very simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You need a 1/4-inch socket, a pair of needle nose pliers if you want, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx bit. First thing you do is you have a Phillips head screw right here. You got a Phillips head screw right here on the handle. Then you take your flathead and you pop the cover off, your crank here, and then inside here is a Torx bit. You're gonna use a T20 and you're gonna loosen that up. This is gonna pop right off. And then make sure you don't drop the washer like I just did, okay? And then from there, the whole thing is just clipped in, so it should just slide right out. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so this is a little bit trickier. But the whole thing slides out, all right? And then from there, you reveal your speaker. So from there, you just take your 1/4-inch drive socket. My camera work is not the best. And then you got 1, you got 2, you got 3 and 4 of these, and then you unplug it, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, after those 4 bolts are out, you just pull the speaker out. As you can see, I have my old one here, and I have the new one here. This one was pretty blown. That's why I wanted to replace it, and I'm replacing it with a factory Ford speaker I found on Marketplace. You got this cool little plug on there, and that's why I recommend using factory Ford speakers, because you just swap them right out. So then you just basically got to plug this guy into there, stick it back on, and then reverse the process to put it all together. And this is a 2000 two-door. I am positive it'll work on the 4-door models and the front doors, but just wanted to give you guys a quick explanation on how to do that and the tools you need. So good luck. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a great day.